Hi guys, I am Hitesh and I am here with this product which is Click Cash. Now, what this product will do for you guys, actually you will just make money without doing any type of the sales, okay, without any content creation, okay, then how you will make money. Okay, I'm just going to show me. See, earn passive income, affiliate commission from videos made by others. Actually, you don't need to create videos, you don't need to sales, okay, no more waiting for checks and all these things, no content creation, no need to sales. Okay, then you might be thinking, if I don't need to do anything, then how I will make money. Okay, so let me clear this thing. You will earn money from monetization. Okay, if you are using videos of others, okay, as written here. Okay, so if you are using videos of others on your website, okay, around that video something, this is for example, this is video. Okay, so in this area, okay, on your website some ads will be appear. Okay, and if someone click on that ads, you will get paid, guys. Okay, that's how this complete system works. Okay, don't worry, this is how member access area. We will go to each and everything. Okay, we will go through this all features and functions, and we will discuss each and everything how it will be done. But no worry, here again one more demo I already added on my page. Okay, which you can just watch
Hello,
to the link
in
below.
this
You can
demo
go and you can
video,
just watch
I'm
this.
going to show
Watch
you
this.
how
This is 10-minute
ClickHash
videos. You
software.
can learn each and everything. This simple demo video I already added on my page. Plus one more demo I'm just going to start in front of you. And I hope you got the point what this product is going to do for you. Okay, guys. So this is dashboard. So I'm just clicking on this and let's see what is coming in front of us. So these are some analysis you can see. Okay, how many clicks and how many websites, each and everything you can see directly all data here. And this is the actually overview of this training, because here you are going to get training. No worry, I will discuss each and every.
Hello,
Here you are
you are
going to get all training. This is complete analysis dashboard where you can see some sites which you created or which you are using. Okay, and some, this is some data. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this, which is click cache site. So I'm just going to click this. Manage sites will be something like this, which already you posted or created. Okay, something like that. But I'm going to do this, which is new sites. Okay, so we will create new site in front of you, and later we will see what will happen. Okay, guys, so I'm just using this one, guys, right now, and I'm just choosing any file. So for example, I'm just taking randomly any pic. Okay, so any pic I'm just going to. Okay, so wait guys. Okay, this one I'm taking. Okay, this is car picture. Okay, so I just took this one, which is Ferrari car. Okay, this is related to fashion, you can say. And I'm just going to click on this button, which is create sites. So let's see, guys, what will happen. What name? I think fashion. Yes, fashion. So guys, this is okay. So this is my website, which I already shown you here at the below. So this will be my site URL, and guys, this will be your magic link. Okay, so this magic link will be useful for you. Okay, guys, you can just preview, you can just edit them, because right now I'm not going to. Okay, just let me show you, because I didn't added anything. Okay, so I, maybe we are not able to see in details. Okay, guys, so this is my logo, and here I didn't added anything. Okay, you can see, but still it's looking too much good. Okay, appearance is good. Okay, and here something like this here and here. Okay, and here you will be post some ads. Okay, so if someone will click on that ads, you will start getting paid. Okay, so that's how it will work. So I added some websites. Now come to the niche, because some niche I want to do, and I already told you, you don't need to create any type of the content. So how it is possible, because I'm just going to show you, just see directly how it is possible. This is my site I selected. Okay, this some sites are demos. Okay, I'm just going to see, because show you, because right now in front of you I created this one. Okay, so my niche name is again will be fashion, obviously. Okay, guys, so just choosing this one. Slug and color is okay, red color is okay, blue color is nice. Okay, this color is okay, and life style I'm just going to select this one. Okay, guys, so I'm just adding this niche. Okay, so I just adding, just clicking on this, and this. Okay, so this category successfully added. So if I come here and if I just let me actually show you, see. Okay, so this actually subcategory I just made one category in front of you guys. Okay, you are pretty smart. You are already watching all these things. Okay, so this category I added directly in front of you, and now we are able to see this. Now I nothing added inside this. Okay, so now just go ahead with that. So I just added niche. I just want to, for example, guys, okay, for example, I just want to add some more niche, okay, so that my website's appearance will be pretty good will be, okay. So just fashion my website, and my niche will be this time lifestyle, okay, because same niche we cannot be able to add at all time. And color I will choose this time red color. Okay guys, same style I'm choosing. I'm just going to add this niche again. Okay, so it's category successfully added, and I'm just refreshing this one. Actually, I opened this in new window. Okay, so right now I didn't added subcategories inside this, so that is why we are not able to see this, guys. Okay, so this will be my lifestyle. This will be my fashion. Okay, guys. So if you want, I can just add one more. Okay, actually guys, give it time. Okay, if you want to learn in deep, so you need to give the time. Okay, I'm not wasting your time. I'm just adding more niches because our website, how our website will look like, that is much important to show you and see. Okay, and just because of that, you will be able to understand this product is going to fit for you or not. Okay, that is why I'm doing this. Okay, and this time I'm just using this category wedding pieces because this is also related to fashion. Okay guys, so I'm just choosing this one right now, and this color is also good. Okay, and just let's see. So this one is again added, and I'm just refreshing here, you can see. And my third category, that's how you can just feel all these things. Okay, and yes, you can added some subcategories also. You will learn each and everything in tutorial, guys. Okay, I'm just doing overview, and as possible I'm just clicking on each and every button to show you what every function is doing. Okay guys, so it's done. Okay, till now website is looking pretty cool. Okay, and till now I didn't added anything here, that's why we are not able to see anything. So guys, I'm just going on. Okay, this is, I think I already did this. This is niche. Okay, I just click. Okay, so we already did this. Okay guys, so what is here? This is fashion, which is our niche. Fashion, lifestyle, all these things what are here: edit, delete options, some colors. Okay, this already we did. Okay, some edit options are coming here so that we can do that also. And let me show you if something I left here, so we can just create and recorrect that. Okay, so I think I did all these things. Okay, language always should be English, guys. Okay, and okay guys, so we should go ahead with this right now. So this is campaign, you can just manage and you can just create. So I'm just going to create because manage is not a big thing, creating is main thing. Okay guys, so title, I'm just, for example, wedding hour, for example. Okay, slug, if you leave it blank, it will be generated automatically, so this will be pretty cool thing. Okay, so I'm just add to feature, breaking, recommended. I'm just using all this tick mark because it will be too much easy for me because I have to edit some videos. So I'm just going for YouTube, so it will be useful for me to show you perfectly. Okay guys, so I don't have any link right now, but no worry, right now I'm just choosing my website, which is fashion niche. Okay, so these three niches I already created in front of you. So I'm just going for wedding pieces, for example. So I'm not submitting right now because some details is still pending here, you can see. So I'm just going to for YouTube, so that if any video is supporting my this niche, oh sorry, my this niche, which is wedding pieces, so I'm just going to add that video here. You can just upload your own video if you have, but right now I don't have that any type of video related to my this title. Okay, so I'm just going for video on internet. Okay, from Vimeo, from Dailymotion, Facebook, YouTube, anywhere you can see here, guys. Okay, see, you can take video from anywhere. Okay, guys. So I'm just wait, guys. I'm just doing this thing, and you can just put your embed code here also, and your video will connect to your niche, guys. Okay, you can just put your thumbnail. So I don't have thumbnail. I will do this because I don't have right now. You can schedule your campaign, guys, here. Okay, if you don't want to publish right now, you can go for schedule, guys. Okay, too much scheduling tools are outside. You can go and you can check out. Okay, people are still charging for giving this services, guys. Okay, I already told you many times, but no worry, we are not for here, we are not for that here. Okay, right now I'm just going wedding arc. Okay, guys, so something this type of the video if I will got, so that it will be too much easy. Okay, weddings by arc. Okay, this is a wedding arc. So I want to choose this one. Okay, so I'm just clicking on this and I will use this video. Okay, guys. So here is our dashboard. I completed all these things. Okay, just choose your site. Okay, which you made. Okay, so I made this one. I'm just choosing this one because each and everything I just made in front of you directly, guys. So just I'm just going for this one. Just for example, I'm showing you guys. Okay, just give it a time. Okay, you need to give the time, guys. Okay, if you want to see each and everything, I copied this one, guys. Okay, back to our dashboard and just putting this link here, guys.
Through my
Okay,
online store alone, we've sold over $500,000 worth of spices. That's so crazy.
Okay, guys.
I went from selling to my town to selling nationwide in 1 week. It's a whole new business now.
I built a multi-million-dollar company just on the topic of that time of the month.
This is the name. Okay, this video is running here.
Culinary sales have grown 535%
okay, guys,
in the last year.
Just closing this one right now, and wait, we are here. Okay, so I just put this. Okay, this already taking thumbnail. Okay, if you want, you can just go ahead with this and you can just choose another one. Okay, this thumbnail is good, so I'm not doing anything. So I hope I did each and everything. I'm in campaign. Okay, guys, so I'm just submit this campaign. I hope I didn't left anything. Yes, so it's successfully done. Okay, so I'm just checking. I'm not sure where it will be look. See, guys, so this is my post, this is my videos. Okay, guys, pretty simple, guys. Okay, each and everything I'm showing you step by step directly. This is a result, guys. Okay, this is a result. I'm in lifestyle because I put my post here. Okay, and if I come here, everyone will be able to see my this post. Okay, guys, and that is how your website will start working, guys. Okay, and you're also able to run your ads here. You will get monetized, no worry. Okay, you will learn each and everything inside tutorials, and we will discuss all these things also, no worry about that. But right now I'm just showing you results, guys. Okay, so that is how you have to enjoy your results, guys. Okay, so I'm done from my side all these things also. Now we are going for, okay, guys, you can just create more. Okay, you can just go something like this and you can create more. If you want, I can do that, but it will take too much time, guys. Okay, you can just add more things here. Okay, sorry, here you can add more things. Okay, so I am just going for right now traffic, guys, because okay, guys, so this is method 1 and method 2. You will get traffic from different methods on your websites. Okay, guys, so add to any, this is URL. Okay, so let me select my URL, guys. Okay, when you come here, new sites I clicked, sorry, guys. Okay, I told you one magic link, guys. Okay, I hope you remembering that thing. Okay, so you have to put your magic link here, guys. Okay, see, this is site URL, this is magic link, so this is my fashion. Okay, guys, so I'm just copying this one. I'm just coming on this page. Okay, you will learn in tutorial, guys. Okay, I'm just trying. Okay, guys, and you have to just share. See, Okay, guys, that's how you will be able to do all these things. Okay, you just sign up on these platforms. Okay, so for example, right now I'm just showing you directly on my blogger. I'm just sharing this on my blogger how to do that. Okay, you may be confused how to do all these things, so I'm just showing you this example. I can go for Tumblr also. I'm on Tumblr, but right now one example is enough, guys. Okay, so you will be able to understand how to do all these things. This is organic method, guys. Okay, all I'm just doing on this. Okay, these two blocks are mine, so I'm just going to share on this one. Okay, what where we was. Okay, so let me see what is coming inside. Okay, so I can just put some labels. Okay, wedding arts, something like this. Okay, so it will be my label, something like tags. Okay, so you have to do that. I'm just going to actually let me show you preview, guys. Preview will be too much good. Just give it a time, guys. It is loading still. Okay, so that is how your preview will look like. Okay, after sharing. Okay, so right now I didn't put any type of the content inside. Okay, that is why. And this is how your website will look like. See, this is my blogger, guys. Okay, so if you publish, okay, you will be able to publish, confirm, and it will be done, guys. Okay, see, this is wedding, and okay, this is by mistake, but no worry, wedding arcs. Okay, if someone will search for this, your this blog will be appear in front of them. Okay, guys, so that what will happen, visitors will come on your website by using your magic link. They will come on your website, they will click on your advertisements, and you will get paid. That is how this complete system will work, guys. Okay, so I'm just closing this one right now. Okay, and we are going to back again. So we were here, method one I already shared with you. This is method two, guys. Now let's see what is inside this. I will just bind up in 2 to 3 minutes, guys. Okay, so this is Maxima traffic. Okay, got it. So I think you need to sign up here. So guys, I am just doing for you. Okay, I don't have password, so I want to sign up because I don't have already account. So put full name, all these things. I'm just using password, for example, and sign up. Okay, guys. Okay, registration successfully. Now I'm able to, okay, log in already. So guys, this second dashboard you are again going to get inside this. For next, it's too much next. Actually, I'm going to close this. Okay, otherwise it will take too much time. So guys, this is about Maxima traffic. You can see here, this is completely different thing. Okay, you are going to get directly in this tool, which is ClickCache. So we will see this one also, media, your link, your everything you can just use here. You can just post and you will start getting some traffic from here. Okay, guys. So I'm just putting my magic link here. Okay, so I don't have any type of the caption, but let me click on this so that we will be able to see what is coming in front of us. So I just clicked. Okay, this is my logo, I think, but I clicked but nothing is going to happen right now. But no worry. Okay, RSS feed option is also available, guys. Okay, this is RSS feed, you can see here. It means you will get some people directly from Google also. This is drafts, this is caption, file manager, group. Okay, too much things, guys. Okay, so I'm just closing this one right now because I don't know what time, why this is taking too much time. Use caption. Okay, this type of the caption I'm using. I am not able to add anything more. What is inside? Okay, this is for save media link. So for example, okay, that's how your things will be look like. You can see here. Okay, this is my login. Actually, this is my logo, and you can just post now. Okay, so I'm just select an account from the list to continue. List. Where is list? Okay, choose account. Here it is. Okay, guys. So account for group. Okay, guys. So I'm choosing my Tumblr, guys. Okay, I'm choosing this one. For example, guys. Okay, for example, doing continue. Select an account from the list. From the list, which list? What's accounts? Let me click on this. Okay, so this is the list, guys. Okay, so I'm just ticking on. Okay, I have to add account. Okay, guys, it will take time, but no worry. We should do this because later you will be able to understand what this dashboard is going to do for you. Okay, this dashboard, I discussed with you. Okay, these two things already living, so we will see this also. Read access, write access, you can allow, guys. Okay, guys, but right now I think I should not do this because it will take too much time, guys. Okay, you have to just permit access. Okay, you have to just give access, and by using your Tumblr, okay, you can just post many things by using this dashboard. Okay, guys, so you will start getting some traffic from different accounts also. That was organic. This is again organic traffic, but this dashboard will save your time, energy, hard work, too much thing, because this is smart. Okay, all things you can create. Okay, how many accounts you are going to get here? Tumblr, Twitter, see Reddit, Vimeo, Telegram, too much things you are going to get here. Okay, just create or sign up your accounts, and you will be able to just post from here, and you will start getting directly some traffic on your magic link, guys. Okay, so we should go ahead, guys. Click cache. I'm just closing this one, guys. Okay, I'm just closing this one. Log out. Okay, and I'm just closing this one. So here, actually, guys, this is too much simple thing. Okay, actually, I should not go ahead with this because everyone know this. You can see here, these are some examples. Okay, these are some banner ads example. How to choose this, guys? You can just select your website. This is my fashion website. You can put where you want to put this. Okay, so if you want to some headers, okay, so I'm just choosing this header, and this will be size of my banner ad. Okay, this is my banner ad. Okay, so this is the size of this. Okay, guys, you can just put your ad code. I'm just using my this. Okay, so I'm just using my this URL. For example, you can just select image. Okay, you can just put your image. All these things you will learn, guys. Okay, this is for one, this is for another one. You can see this is another banner ad, this will be another banner ad, and this will be another. Okay, guys, so this is how you can see here, this is how your advertise will be look on here. Okay, so right now I'm not going to do that because it will look, actually it will be too much easy. You can do ahead, you can go ahead and you can do that. I just shown you this all things. Okay, if I will add that will take time, and that will also look like here there and something like this. Okay, so anyone will be click, anyone actually give you click by mistake. Okay, so much ads you can show. Okay, guys, so that is how you have to just do that, and you have to just make save changes. Okay, just put two things, that's it. Okay, guys, and if you don't know what is this about, you will get in tutorial. Okay, guys, so I'm just now, this is monetization campaign, text ads, image ads, video ads, call to action. You have to just select all these things, okay, according to your website and something like that, and later you will be able to do that. Choose file, for example, right now don't have video, but this one was with me. Just copying this one, just for example, guys. Okay, just for example, putting this one, this is video position. You can just, okay, select. Okay, you can just set some timer. Okay, for how long you want to show your this, and you can just save this ads. Okay, choose file here also, upload video. I just put this URL. Okay, so I'm just going for image video because image ads, because images I have. Okay, I'm just choosing my website, choosing one image. this image I'm just choosing. Okay, I'm done, and just try to save some changes. Okay guys, just fill out this. So for example, I'm just using this one just for example, guys. Okay, you will understand each and everything which link you should post here. Okay, in this tutorial I'm just showing you overview. Okay, what things are working or not, that type of the work I'm doing, guys. So it's done, guys. Okay, it's done. So let me just try if anything happen here. Same thing is coming. This is my logo, this is my logo. Okay, so if okay, it maybe I'm not monetized yet. Okay, actually my website is not okay, sorry. Fashion, no file chosen. Okay, let me choose one more time, guys. Actually I didn't selected mine website. Okay guys, so that is why it's happened, but this time we should see again fashion, all these things. I'm just putting my this webs with this link, and just now try to save this one, and let's see what is coming in front of us. Okay, so and try to see again here what is coming. Same thing is right now. Okay, no worry, it maybe our website is not monetized yet. Okay, but no worry, you will learn each and everything inside this. Okay, till now all thing is good and appearing is good. So that type of the things you will get inside this, guys. Okay, so for example, Google AdSense, Google Video Ads, button, call to action, anything you can just add into your website. Okay, so for example, I'm going to choose this button option. Okay guys, so let's see what is coming. Okay, this add to cart is good. My website is this, or actually this is for okay, so okay, just I'm trying to this one. Okay, how it will be possible. Actually I don't, again I need to go my magic link. Okay, and if I will go for that, this all thing will be removed, but no worry. Sorry, no worry, we will try to do this. Just going to here. Okay, this is my magical link. I'm just pasting this one, coming again, button, type of the ads. You have to just select the type of your ad. Okay guys, and each and everything you will learn inside, no worry about that. I'm just putting this one I selected. I'm just saving. This is call us now, something like the lead making type of the website this is. Okay guys, so that is how you will be able to do all these things, guys. Okay, and this will be able to appear here after your monetization enabled. Okay guys, that's why I'm not able to show you right now, because I just created this in front of us, guys. Okay, so this is fashion preview. Okay, I should do this preview, so we will be able to see what is coming in this preview. Okay, this preview I'm already doing. Lifestyle, wedding, breaking news, wedding. Actually, appearance is too much good, guys. Okay, you have to just add some advertisements and all these things, and you will be done. Okay, guys. So I'm not going much deeper in this, and let me show you some tutorials how you will learn all these things, because time is going too fast. So this is tutorial, guys. Your free gift VIP training. Already you are getting this video on front page on dashboard, so you can just learn this. Now this is the complete demo. Okay, you will learn. I already added on my page also, but here click cache traffic. You will start getting your main learnings from here. So I'm just going to show you 4-minute video. This is, and this is the guy. This is main thing. Okay, this is monetization. You can see, which I'm not going much deeper, but right now you will learn from here. Quick cache monetization you can do. Okay, 14 minute video you can see, guys. Okay, 14-minute video. Too much, you will get too much learning. Now, here are some options, guys. This is Google AdSense, giant company, but these are some alternatives of Google AdSense. Why I'm showing you these alternatives? Because you will actually, the chances of getting monetization enabled from these websites are too much high. From media.net, you will easily get. Okay, Google AdSense, some policies are too much tight and too much higher, some policies of Google AdSense, but from media.net you will easily get AdSense. Okay, even if you don't get these three alternatives again in front of you, so total are five options in front of you. Okay, so you will easily get. Don't worry about that. Okay, don't think, oh, how I will get monetization. Don't think like that. You will get. Okay, if you are not going to get from Google AdSense, no worry, go for another platforms. Okay, you will get advertisers from here on your website. Okay, and just you have to work for traffic and you will start making money from directly. This is how this complete system is going to work. Okay, some done for you things are available for you guys. This is last video, maybe 2-minute video, 2 and 3-minute video, so it will be done, guys. Okay, from my side. So guys, I'm just going to finish this one. I'm done from my side. I hope I cleared each and everything. Okay, I'm not hoping 100% from you, but I hope I given you each and every example. Okay, guys. So we will meet with another masterpiece, guys. Till then, bye.